Hey, this is Roger. I'm on location at Bent Creek looking at the Melbourne plan. We're right at the entry of a really nice cul-de-sac that incidentally has some great basement lots available. And Bent Creek is just so close to 521, which goes right into Ballantyne, and not far at all from the North Carolina to South Carolina line. A lot of people prefer South Carolina. Taxes are generally great. This is Indian land. And so this is a neighborhood that has a mixture of two-story and ranch plans. And I do love the fact that Donnie Morrison has this Melbourne plan. It complements nicely the model home that they have, which is a ranch also, and that is called the Pikewood, but this is different. Now you've got a formal dining room, but maybe you're a type of person that doesn't need that. So maybe you take that light up. You've got a great little butler's pantry right there. And maybe you make this a reading room or just a front living room. I like that, very versatile. And you've got your hardwoods running all the way through. Now, this is what we call a split ranch. You've got a bedroom up to the front, and then you've got a full bath. And I love the fact that they've got a transom window there and that tub shower combo to let some light in. And then you've got really what's your third bedroom. Another thing, you've got a powder room up here. So that's very handy for your guests. But just notice how this floor just gleams. This is hardwood going all the way through. And this is lovely, a bank of windows. A lot of unusual things about this house, including that screen porch, which we'll get to. So if you use this as a breakfast room, maybe you don't need that dining room. Think about it. Now this is what I love. This is why this house would be perfect for me. I can sit here and run my real estate business while I'm cooking dinner. Oh yeah, we'll get over there. And besides that, this has a double pantry. That's a large pantry, the width of that wall. And there's another full pantry. But look at this island, guys. This thing goes on and on for miles. As my guy HC up in New York would say, this is a ooh-wee house. This is almost a my house. Oh my goodness, look at this. Gourmet kitchen, beautiful 42-inch cabinets, light, and the color selection, even really on the granite, think about it. That's really pretty. And that's a 36-inch 5-burner. This is gourmet, guys. And again, you look at that double wall stack oven. But this right here opens up not only to the breakfast room, but also to this fantastic great room. To be able to get all this for under $375, give me a call today at 704-345-3400, and let's see if it's still available in Bent Creek from Donnie Morrison. Now, I don't know about you, this is where I'm going to spend a lot of my time. If I'm living here, yeah, gas fireplace, screened porch, some cross ventilation. I love that. Now, if we build this on another lot, you know, then you'll be able to pick and choose what you want to fit your budget. And I do like to be there with you for all of those meetings, the price out meeting. Helped a couple from the Northeast this week purchase in here on a great lot. So this is the master. Again, bank of 3 windows, lots of light, tray ceiling makes it feel just so glamorous. But when I walked in and saw this master bath, look at this configuration. Is that smart or what? A place to put on your shoes? I love that. Place to store some extra linens, and look at the flooring on this. I mean, that's just up to date and modern, as well as the undermount sinks and the beautiful top. But let me show you something awesome. There's your shower, guys. Does it get any better than that? Tile all the way up and tile on the floor. I like that so much better than on the white pans that are there. And so you've got a really good size master closet, but here's where the magic is, guys. A little commode room, separate, but your master bath goes right into your laundry room. No taking stuff up and down stairs, not walking across, it's right there, and there's another door for whoever else is living with you in the house. That is brilliant architectural design. This is the Melbourne plan from Donnie Morrison. I'm on location with Jack the real estate dog out here at Bent Creek, and I know he approves. So give me a call. I'd love to be your buyer's agent. My services, again, are free to you, but you've got to tell the builder's rep that you have a buyer agent, and his name is Roger Holloway. And if you already have somebody else, just give them that up front. And by all means, let's do this together. When you're coming to town, I'd like to get you on my calendar, 704-345-3400. Reference the Melbourne at Bent Creek.